Alright, what is going on, guys? I've been having this little issue going on with the car here. Nothing real major, just something really annoying, really, over anything else. But I've had this annoying squeak sound for the past, like, month or so. It's been driving me nuts. Can't figure out where it's coming from. It sounded like it was something underneath, like a body mount, or like something, you know, I don't know, something squeaking underneath, like metal on metal contact. When you hit bumps, you hear it's like squeaking and making all kinds of noises. Same thing, you know, when you open and close the doors, it make like a horrible squeaking noise, squeaking and doing all stuff all over the place. I think I found the fix for it. I looked up on the forums, and some like Ford tech or whatever apparently found like what may cause a mysterious squeaking issue. It actually has to do with like your hood, like the hinges. As you see in the next clip here, when I put the clip in, you'll see, you know, I open and close the doors and like, you know, it makes a bunch of squeaking noise. I sprayed down the hinges and it's not doing it now, so I'm going to show you the clip right now. Alright, now if you see, we'll go to the door here, you close it, it's still doing it a little bit, it's not as loud now. I just sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in there, and it's not as loud, so I think that is my issue. I believe it's just the hinges here for the hood. See, you might not be able to hear it even on the camera, but it's a very, very faint squeak now. So I'm going to just spray the hinges a little bit better, get some, you know, WD-40 in there. If the WD-40 doesn't fix it, I have like the white lithium grease I'll spray in there. Hopefully that will fix the problem. But I think I found my strange squeaking issue that has been driving me nuts for, honestly, you know, it's probably been over a month, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, I just sprayed down these hinges. See if I can spray it a little bit better in here. Get that in there. Hopefully that fixes my problem, because I'll tell you what, this squeak was so annoying. I want to spray it all over the place. There we go. Let that get in there a little bit. I don't think anything else is mechanical on that besides that little part right there. I guess I could spray on the inside. Spray right there. Alright, so I'm spraying right over in that little spot there. Sorry guys, you guys are getting a horrible view. It's hard to like do this while holding the camera. Spray the inside one. It's kind of hard to get to this one because there we go. And it was weird because like when it was open it wouldn't squeak. Only when the hood was closed. See, now it's not doing it. which it didn't before, so it didn't get worse. Let's move it around a little bit. Close it up. There we go, guys. I think I found the fix for my horrible squeaking noise. I think that fixed it, guys. So if you're having a really bad like squeaking noise up front, like hitting bumps and stuff, like I said, when I hit bumps, I mean it was loud. You could literally hear like like that's literally what it sounded like. It was absolutely horrible. And you can hear it from the outside. Like if you have the windows down, you can literally hear it squeaking from the outside. It sounds absolutely terrible. You know, it's I don't know. It just sounded horrible. It was a horrible noise. And it would kind of be like, I don't want to say progressive, but like there's times like days where it wouldn't do it, then other days it would do it. So I'm like, you know, what could it be? This is like so strange. But yeah, Ford Tech on the forum said he just you know, he ended up spraying down the hood hinges, and the strange squeaking noise went away. So whatever Ford technician found that, you know, props to you, you know, helping us all out. But yeah, I found that on the forums. But you know, in case you didn't go on the forums, you have some weird squeaking issue and you stumble across this video, just spray down your hood latches. You actually may be surprised. It actually might get rid of the squeaking noise you had. Now, like I said, I used just regular WD-40. We'll see how long it lasts. If it doesn't last, then I'll use some white lithium grease on there. But I don't know how well it's going to be able to penetrate into like the, you know, the like how tight it is. Might be kind of hard to get the grease in there, but we'll see. We'll see how well the WD-40 does. But yeah, so it's a quick little. I'm sorry, I can't speak. Quick little video here. You know, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I have some more videos coming. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Alright, second part of this video here. I just took the car for a drive. I had to go somewhere, and it's still squeaking. And it's like, it's just as bad as it was, so I guess it wasn't that causing the issue. I don't know. I can't figure out what it is. I'm getting really like annoyed, to be quite honest with you. It's really annoying, the squeaking. It's horrible. I'm sure you can't hear it. I'm sure. Let me open the hood up. Of course, now it's super windy out. Yeah, of course now it's like super windy. But yeah, I don't know. I cannot figure out for the life of me what the squeaking noise is. Is it these? Maybe these are squeaking? Like rubbing up on there? See, it doesn't do it when the hood is open. It's something with the hood, I swear. I don't know what it is. And like I said, the guy on the forum said it's like the hood latches, or not the hood, like, but the hood, like the hinges. Maybe he meant that? I don't know. I have lithium grease, so I'll spray that down lithium grease. These, I'll spray a little WD-40 on. Maybe these are squeaking? I don't know. I cannot figure out for the life of me what this squeaking noise is. It's driving me absolutely insane, though. Alright, do the other one here. Alright. Let's close the hood now and see if it still squeaks. Seemed to stop, but it stopped last time, so who the hell knows at this point. Let's spray a little white lithium grease on the latch. Let's just go all out. Oh, great, someone stole my straw. Isn't that just great? Okay. Let's spray this down. Alright, that should be pretty greased up now. Pop it again, just... Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm getting, like, really fed up with this squeak. It's horrible. Like, I'm sick of hearing it. Alright, well, I guess that's it. If you guys have been experiencing this squeaking issue, you know, comment down below if you have had this issue before. I'm telling you, I think I still deal with my hood. I think that guy in the forum is up to something, but it may not be my hinges like he said it was in the other car. I may have another hood issue. I mean, I'm pretty sure I sprayed all the hood components that can possibly be sprayed. I don't know what else could be left, so. Alright, yeah, hopefully you guys can help me out. If it ends up going away after doing this, I'll make a video saying, hey, listen, I fixed the problem, or I'll even, if you guys put a, comment and, tell me what it is, I'll comment, hey, listen, I fixed it. But as of right now, I don't really know if this has been fixed or not, so I guess we'll see in a few days if it has been. All right, see you guys later.